We influence, governments make laws. UNFPA does not make the law for them. In terms of the United Nations Population Fund, UNFPA, we believe in supporting governments to try to apply and use what we call gender transformative and human rights-based approaches. We influence, governments make laws. UNFPA does not make the law for them. Always remembering we are most concerned that they be rights-based. So we are in discussions with the government, with the whole of the United Nations system in Madagascar, on the laws they have passed, to understand how they ensure that they also continue to protect the human rights of everyone, while addressing the violations, which are, of course, criminal acts. We also seek to support governments with evidence based on data of best practice of what works around the world, whether it be around issues of how you legislate around abortion or around gender-based violence criminal acts, and also provide learning from other countries, what works and what actually doesn't work, so the government can make its own informed decisions. And on abortion, I think it's the same. We as UNFPA do not encourage or say that abortion is a form of family planning. It's not. We would. That's why we talk about contraception rather than abortion for family planning. However, we know that there's best practice about in what circumstances abortion rights should, if possible, be available. And with partners, we again provide information and evidence around best practice in that area for the government to then make the right laws for its people here in Madagascar. So maybe just to explain, in many countries they accept a medical abortion as a right, for instance rape, or where there is a threat to the health of the mother because of that pregnancy.